Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to set Google as your default search engine on your Fire TV or Fire TV Stick. First, head over to the home menu and navigate to Settings. From there, scroll down and select Applications. Next, look for Silk Browser at the top and open it. Now, scroll down to the bottom and go into Advanced Settings. Here, you'll find the option to change the default search engine. Simply select Google, and you're all set. Once you've made the change, go back to the home menu, navigate to Apps, and select My Apps. Look for the Amazon Silk web browser. You should see it listed under Internet. Open it up, and you'll now be greeted with Google as your home page. You can also customize additional settings like private browsing, bookmarks, and menu preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next one.